Welcome to Mr. Jahs class, where I, Mr. Jah, cover educational topics in a short amount of time. Let's get started. How to solve for mass when dealing with Newton's second law. Let's take a look at this problem. What is the mass of an object that accelerates at 5.54 meters per second squared when a force of 55,513 newtons is applied? Before we get to the problem, be aware that you can't just watch these videos and learn the equations. So please make sure you get your notebook and pencil and write down the steps. That way you don't just memorize what to do, you understand why we do what we're doing. This will be more beneficial in the long run. And if you know someone who needs help with these problems, please feel free to share it with them. Let's get to the video. So let's start off with step one, write what you know. What is the force? The force is 55,513 newtons, right? We're looking for newtons. That is the unit for force. Okay, next, what about mass? We don't know mass, we are trying to find it. So we'll put a question mark. And then what about acceleration? Do we have acceleration? We do. That is going to be 5.54 meters per second squared. Put that right there. All right, step two, we plug in our values. So once again, the force, the formula for Newton's second law is force is equal to mass times acceleration. So we'll go ahead and plug in the value for force. And then we plug in the value for acceleration. So how do we solve for something when it looks like this? What we do is we do the opposite operation. So mass is being multiplied by the acceleration. So we have to cancel out that value. So therefore, we divide. Okay, so we divide. Now, whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side. And so now mass is equal to the quotient of those two values. So 55,513 newtons divided by 5.54 meters per second squared. Therefore, this object is 10,020 kilograms. And that is how you solve for mass. Thank you for watching the video. Attention science teachers. Want some free physics resources for your classroom? Click the teacher link in the description. And as always, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing.